Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to use this portable blender that I got from Stonecaster.com. First of all, I'm gonna wear a glove. I like wearing glove when I'm cooking, and then I'm gonna grab peach and start cutting it just like that. And then I'm gonna chop them small pieces so they can fit and blend better. But I recommend you guys to cut it smaller than this. And then I'm gonna cut strawberry, just like I said, cut it smaller than this. And then start cutting bananas. I actually already had a watermelon cut, and yeah, I bought from the store, and everything is ready to put in the portable blender and make my favorite smoothie. Yeah, just like I said, cut the fruit smaller pieces than this because this is really hard to push, but I got my husband fixed everything. Yeah. Then I'm gonna add some milk, and yes, I forgot to charge it. But this is how I charge it. I plug the charger that comes with the product with the charger adapter that I had at home, and then just wait for 20 minutes at least. Then you'll be able to use it. And then just push right here to start like I do in the video. I personally love this blender so much because I can take it everywhere with me while it's still blending your favorite smoothie. And today is such a good day, the sun is out, I'm gonna chill by the pool and then drinking my favorite smoothie. There are more very cool products from Stonecaster.com that you guys might like. Go check it out. So yummy. I would rate this product 10 out of 10. Okay, bye.